Hi, I'm Maggie Holmes, Director of 3DS. Is the phrase "time is money" ever more clearly realized than in today's aggressive project schedules? The need to quickly navigate a project schedule is the difference between a profitable project and a failing project. In this video, I want to demonstrate how you can save time and money with the use of Orthogen 10 on your S3D projects. 10 to 20% of a project cost can occur in the creation of drawings. When you consider the complexity that may be required on project drawings, you start to grasp how much time it could take to generate and modify these drawings. The drawing you're looking at is a pipe rack plan. It wasn't that long ago that this drawing would have been hand-generated, which took hours. We're going to start by reviewing the properties of an equipment item in the S3D training project. As you can see, we are in S3D and viewing the training project. The Workspace Explorer is visible along the right side of the screen, which is depicting the model hierarchy. We're going to choose a piece of an equipment from the U02 level. You can see the equipment properties include the name, description, and many other items. We'll come back to this model later to show the drawing sync functionality. Let's switch over to the drawing task and edit a drawing in S3D. This drawing was previously updated using a view style delivered with S3D. This style produces the edges graphic view and also adds the dimensions and annotation. Orthogen delivers simplified view styles that only produce the edges graphics. You can configure S3D to place things like title block data, view, and match line labels. Even flow arrows will be treated as edges graphics. As you probably can see, this drawing is displayed in the Smart Sketch drawing editor. Now we will select a delivered Orthogen view style and update the view. All of your drawing update operations should process in about half the time now that they are in edges only. We will now save the file as either AutoCAD or MicroStation. As we review this simplified view style, you can see how to control the output layers for the vector hidden line graphics. First, you must create a folder in your drawing folder called 3DV. Use the S3D Drawings Save As command to store the drawings for Orthogen to process. Select Compose Drawings and set the file type to AutoCAD. You can also define the seed file to be used when doing the Save As operation. A Smart Sketch dialog will appear showing the drawing has been saved to a .dwg format into the 3DV folder you just created. We now have a set of AutoCAD drawing files in the 3DV folder. We can open the main drawing using AutoCAD to view the XREF hierarchy that was created. You can see that Embed 1 XREF contains the drawing graphics and Embed 2 contains the border. We will now exit AutoCAD without saving. We will first look at the project settings that Orthogen offers. As you can see, it allows you to easily switch between modeling systems, CAD systems, view styles, and configure your database settings. You can also set the units used in distance and diameter. Please note the simplicity in setting up each project for its particular requirements. One project can utilize AutoCAD and SQL Server, while another can use MicroStation and Oracle, and both can utilize Orthogen and the established view styles to generate the drawings. On the main Orthogen screen, you have some powerful configuration options. You can choose whether to refresh data, meaning to either use the last data set extracted from the model or to extract a new data set. You can also set it to either update the existing labels on a drawing, which means it will remove them and replace them, or you can append to the labels, which means it will leave previously placed labels and append the new labels to it. To add annotations and dimensions to a drawing, simply click the big arrow key. This will activate the Orthogen annotation engine to open the drawing using the CAD system set in the project settings and annotate the drawing based on the view style settings. The view styles can be set from the main Orthogen dialog by selecting the desired discipline and then choosing from the view styles defined for that discipline. If you want to quickly see how the view style will look, just click on the button with the glasses on it. This will allow you to compare the different view styles to choose the one best suited for your project. As you change view styles, the active settings for that view style are shown in the lower portion of the dialog. In addition to using the active settings area to get a quick review of the view style settings, you can use the active settings area to quickly pick the settings for a particular entity. In the Style Editor dialog, you have many options that are available to set your drawing just as you require. The settings are broken into 4 tabs: Annotation Options, External Labels, Line Options, and Text Options. We won't go into the details of the view options in this video, but as you can see, you can choose where to place your labels, refine what is labeled, and how the labels are to look. An added option is the blue plus sign button, which allows you to add your own view styles. Pressing the large button with the arrow starts the annotation process. What you will see is Orthogen run the database queries and then activate the set CAD system. Orthogen will then annotate the drawing per the view style settings. After annotating the drawing, Orthogen will generate text reports of all the entities found in the Reports folder. The report format can be set as part of the view style settings. For your reference, Orthogen stores the extracted data plus log information about the run in the log folder. For the most part, this information is used in refining your drawing processes. Once the annotations are complete, you have the capability to modify the drawing using the CAD system. In this example, we select the XREF containing the graphics information. Opening the XREF, we can now rearrange any labels that were not placed as you wanted. Orthogen tracks the manually moved labels and will leave them where you placed them. After embellishing the view, the drawing can be updated at any time to reflect the latest model conditions. We will now go back to S3D and make a simple modification to an equipment item. We'll now move an equipment item to a new location, and then we'll go to the drawing task to update the drawing. This will regenerate the vector hidden line showing the new equipment location. You can still take advantage of the S3D up-to-date status and the update and save as processes, which can be automated using the Intergraph Force Drawing Update utility. When we run the Orthogen update, the edges graphics from the previous update are removed, and the new edges that we just saved are copied into the new file. As you can see, the new edges graphics has been updated to reflect model conditions, and Orthogen has re-annotated and redimensioned the view while preserving previous edits and embellishments. In summary, using Orthogen with Smart 3D allows you to create and maintain orthographic drawings using familiar CAD systems without retraining design staff or investing a lot of time and money into view style customization. Going with what you already know results in quick implementations and quick return on investment by leveraging your in-house legacy CAD skills and procedures on S3D projects. Orthogen's Style Editor allows for easy customization without any programming requirements. There are 40+ styles delivered covering all disciplines. You'll also be delivering quality CAD files to your customers and not have to go through translations. Thank you for your time, and if you have any questions or need any additional information, please contact us by email or visit us at our website.